We got some units in an alcove. We got this Amanda unit. 2016. We got this old Trane. 2004 3-phase. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's a heat pump. And we got this very old Lennox from like the late 70s or early 80s. Focusing on the serial. This is pretty cool. I don't think I've seen one of these since I went to church camp up in Chatsworth. Here we got 3 more units. We got a Goodman unit. Got another Goodman over here. These are pretty new. I think Dexter filmed these not long after they were installed. Another very old Lennox. I think this might have been running. I can't tell. Has it? Maybe that's just from, it's a humid morning here in Huntsville, so that might be why it's sweaty. But thanks for watching.